So I want to talk about our slacker arms and our slacker arm springs right here. You can see, because this oiler has been leaking, that this spring has built up with debris. This slacker arm should be all the way up like this, but because that spring has got so much debris in there, it's not allowing it. This is extremely important. Like, you can see all of these slacker arms are hanging down here. This is going to cause another misties. It's going to make it so that when that needle comes up in there on our second knot, instead of this twine being nice and tight, it's going to be loose, and so our knot is going to miss it, and it's going to act like you're having a tucker arm mistie. So it's really important that we watch this. If you've got this sagging down, just automatically come in here and change these springs out. It's important at about every 20,000 bells to go ahead and replace all these tucker arm springs.